How to make a transparent diagonal faded white transition. To begin, I added 2 videos to my timeline and I want to create a transparent faded white transition in between them. Start by going to Effects panel and search for Wipe. Drag and drop Wipe effect into between your videos. Now click on Wipe Transition to select it, then go to Effect Controls and make sure alignment is set to center at the cut. Now click on this small triangle so the transition starts from top left corner. Now hold down the Alt key and drag your first clip into above track to create a duplicate from it. Then move it to the right until its end aligns with the transition. Now use Razor tool to create a cut on this clip at the start of the transition and delete the first part. Now with your duplicate clip selected, go to Effect Controls and make sure the playhead is at the start. Click on Stopwatch next to Opacity to create a starting keyframe. Then move the playhead to the end and set opacity to 0. Now our effect is completed. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.